Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about how to make a herbarium out of the dried plant material. As you know, once the plants got dried, their leaves and the other organs became very brittle and sometimes flimsy. When you touch them, they are easily broken. So let's say if you want to decide make an herbarium afterwards. There is a way out for it. One way for it is to humidify the dried plant material in order to make the plant organs such as the leaves and flowers and etc. be able to flatten back in order to make a proper herbarium material. So in order to do that, we're gonna make a do-it-yourself humid chamber. For this reason, I've taken a pot. A pot is like this, and we're going to open the lid, and here it is. First, we need to take a towel and make it wet, and then squeeze it, squeeze the water, and then lay it around inside the pot. And then we need to put the papers inside it. They would also get wet, and then put our plant materials, which is dry, here, like this. So, and then we need to close the lid. After probably 1 day, 24 hours, the leaves would become more movable, and they will rehydrate back again, so you would be able to make a proper herbarium material. And here's the final version of our herbarium. As you can see, the leaves are flattened back again. I think it's good enough, at least not bad. If you ever find yourself in such a conundrum that you might decide after plants being dried and afterwards you have decided to make an herbarium, or at least you have forgotten to make it previously, then it's one version to make it back again.